solar system calculation in Excel. So in Excel there are very helpful to calculate the total load, solar panel is required, how many, and in last battery requirement. So here we can see that the component is fan, LED, tube light, refrigerator, AC. Quantity mean that how many fan, how many LEDs, or tube light is 4, refrigerator is 1, AC is 1. These are the rate of the components, power rate. And the last we can calculate the load. How to calculate the load? We can multiply by 5, multiply by 75, we can get 375. And last we can add the total load. So the total load is 2755. Here we can see that I have add these load. The consumption mean that how many hour we can use the solar system. So these are at the energy consumption is we can multiply by this, add multiply by 2755, so we can get this. So the peak hour, peak sun hour mean that how many maximum light is available in your solar panel is 4, loss is 30. The PV system size, how to calculate this? So we can use this formula, B13 multiplied by 1.3. 1.3 is the loss and B13 is this value. This is the B13 and B15 is this. Peak sun hour is 4, so divide by 4, so we can get this. One PV panel rate is 450. I have take 450. You can also 580. You can also 620. They are depend on you. You can buy your panel rate. You can write here. So we can calculate the PV panel is required. How many panel is required? So we can divide this B17 divided by B19. This is the B17 divided by this 7163 divided by 450. So we can get 15.9. Almost 16 panel is required to run this load. So how many battery is required? So this is the battery calculation. So the backup hour is 3, mean that you can run the load in 3 hour with battery. So the efficiency is 0.8. So discharge rating is 0.8 and normal battery voltage is 12. You can also take 24 and 24 and also take 48 old battery. So backup hour is, so we can use this formula. Here we can see that D9 multiplied by G3 divided by 0.8 multiplied by 0.8 multiplied by 12. This is the D9 is this value. This is the D9 value and the other one is G2. This is the G2 value. 3 divided by 0.8 multiply by 0.8 multiply by 12, so we can get this value. So the tubular battery age rate is 230. This is the standard value. And last we can calculate the battery required, so we can apply this formula G7. This is the G7 divided by this value 230, so we can get 4.67.